Welcome to ACHIEVER'S Academy. Today we are going to be dealing on definite integral. Now, what do you understand about the idea of definite integral? Definite integral simply means when you integrate simply the substitution part of a definite, which will have upper and lower limit. What did I mean by that? In definite integral, you have upper and lower limit when you have a as the lower and b as the upper. Please take note. This is known as upper, b and a. The b is known as the upper, while the a is known as what? As the lower limit. So when you integrate finish, you take the difference between the upper and the lower limit. That is the idea about definite integral. So which is simply equal to integral of f of s ds, which is simply means as what? A part of what? Which is simply means as what? F of s per part of what? A b. So that is the idea about what? Definite integral. So now let's look at example. Now example 1. Evaluate integral of 3, 5, and so s raised to power 3 ds. Now, what I'm going to do here, solution, integral of 3, 5 into s raised to power 3 ds will be equal to, if you integrate this, you are going to have what? S raised to power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Is that not so? So, since it's an integral form, you don't need to put constant c there. Because since it's an indefinite form, listen to me now. Instead of putting constant c, it's going to be what? The limit of what? 3 and 5. Are you with me? So, which is going to be equal to s raised to power 4 over 4 into limit of what? 3 and 5. So, this simply means that whenever you see s, it's going to represent what? 5. Whenever you see s, it's going to represent what? 3. So, you take the difference of the both two. So, now, I think we are good to go. So, which is simply means 5 raised to power 4 over 4 minus 3 raised to power 4 over 4. Are you there? So, which is going to be equal to 5 raised to power 4, you have what? 625 over 4 minus 3 raised to power 4 is what? 81 over what? Over 4. So, when you find the LCM, so the LCM is what? The LCM is 4. So 4 goes in 4, you have what? 1, which is what? 625 minus 4 goes in 4, 1. 1 multiplied by 81, you have what? 81, which is going to 625 minus 81, you have what? 544 divided by 4. So 544 divided by 4, you have what? 136. So that is your final answer. Let's look at example 2. So evaluate integral of 0, 1 into s raised to power 2 ds. So now solution, integral of 0, 1 is going to be equal to s raised to power 2 ds. So if you are going to integrate s squared, so if you integrate s squared, I believe you all know that method, using general method. So we are going to have s squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 limit of 0, 1. So which is going to be s raised to power 3 over 3 limit of 0 and what? And 1. So it means whenever you see 1, you are going to put what? Whenever you see s, you are going to put what? 1. But I won't take the limit of this one because I know it's 0. The whole of everything is going to be what? 0. And listen to me now. So I will just take the limit of this 1 alone, which is because 0 is nothing. Are you with me? So I'm going to have 1 over raised to power 3 over what? Over 3. So which is going to be 1 raised to power 3 is going to be what? 1 over 3. So your answer is equal to what? 1 over 3. So that is your final answer. Look at this question. You can say, else with what? Find the evaluate what? Integral of what? Sine s into 0 and what? Pi over 2. You will look at this question. How are you going to solve this? Now, it's very simple. Now, we are dealing with definite. We have already talked about the definite integral in my previous video. So this is so simple. So with solution, you are going to have what? Integral of pi over 2 into 0 of sine s. So if you integrate sine s, you are going to have what? If you integrate sine s, you are going to have minus what? Minus cos s into limit of what? 0 and pi over 2. Are you there? Please, I want to take note that pi is equal to what? 180 degree. Are you there now? So that is going to be 180. Are you there? So which is going to be equal to minus cos what? Cos s into, whenever I'm seeing s, I'm going to put what? Pi over 2, which is minus cos what? Pi over 2 minus cos what? Cos 0. Are you there? So which is going to be minus cos what? 180 divided by 2 will give you what? 90 degree minus cos 0 will give you what? 1. So which is going to be equal to 90 is going to give you what? 0. So which is going to be, cos 90 will give you what? 0 minus 1. So your answer is equal to minus 1. So that is your final answer. So please, whenever you are given a question like this, so this is how you are going to solve it. Take note that pi is equal to what? 180. So and you take the definite integral of your lower limit and upper limit. Thank you so much.